Can you explain to me what the Amazon Merch custom t-shirts are? And do you think they're a threat to print-on-demand sellers?
Yeah, I think it came up like 2 weeks ago in Facebook groups where you saw a mock-up where you can now upload your own image like we do in the Create tab on Amazon, and then the customer can directly print their design and then let it ship. I think it's also for V-necks and long sleeves and the premium t-shirt. As always, it's a lot of fear around that when something like this is. I mean, I think it's normal, but I don't really think it will have a big impact, because when a customer goes to Amazon and he wants a customized t-shirt with its own design, he usually knows that already right from the beginning, And I think Amazon did this because, for example, also Spreadshirt has their own t-shirt maker, and it is more about, before they leave Amazon and go to Spreadshirt for their custom shirts, let them be on Amazon. And the second reason is customized t-shirts is something that is existing since years on Amazon. So it's not really a new field, and I don't think it has no till very, very little influence on us as merch sellers.
Yeah, I think it's existed on Spreadshirt for ages, hasn't it? It's not a new thing at all.
It is the main thing from Spreadshirt, since I know it, that they have this custom t-shirt maker.
Mm-hmm. And I get it, right? It looks scary because it's also cheap, right? $14.99, I think, for the custom t-shirt that you can order through Amazon Merch. But most people are too lazy, especially the newer generations growing up. I doubt that they have the patience to actually create a design themselves. And like you said, it's mostly targeting the people that were already doing this, that were already going to Etsy, for example, buying some clip art and then getting it made through Spreadshirt or now Amazon, right? It's not really going to take away the existing audience that buys print-on-demand products. Maybe the odd person will fall into it, but I doubt it's much of an issue or going to.
Yeah, it's not really a real customer behavior, that I also read in a group that you can, or that now people will steal your designs and then upload itself to the custom t-shirt. That will never happen. No one will do this effort to buy a shirt for $14.99 instead of $18.99, for example. And the other thing is the custom t-shirts from third-party companies that are already existing on Amazon are much cheaper. You can buy t-shirt there for $8, $9, $10. So this is not really an argument. So
it's basically already existed as well, just without the Prime shipping maybe. But yeah, that's interesting. I had similar discussions in my Discord group. And people basically agreed that it's not really a threat.
And it's not returnable. The custom t-shirts from Amazon are not returnable. Our return rate is always going up, and it's a huge problem for the merch program. But when you use their custom maker, customers can't return it. So yeah.